The SWOOD Days is the most awaited event of the year organized by EFICAD. It's the perfect time to meet, exchange, share ideas, and have a lot of fun too. We've got resellers coming from all over the world. The goal is quite simple. We share the latest news about SWOOD, we talk about new features, we focus on partner skill development, and we also show some brand new collaboration tools that were designed to drastically help our resellers.
It's a big value because the program is cover mainly all the topics I was interested to her here. It's a unique occasion where you confront your work with other resellers and let's see if you're doing well or there is something missing or there's something in there, some idea that you are missing or you propose some idea. It's really a lovely place to stay. It's a big meeting with all the European resellers.
The idea is to offer different formats with its own values. We have presentations, discussions, partner talks, and more casual exchanges. This year, we had presentation organized by EFICAD team, technical and business topics, but we also had session presented by some of our resellers, which is also very important for us. It allows partners to share their own experience, their local market approach, and their success stories. And for us at EFICAD, it's also extremely valuable. We receive direct feedback from partners and we can clearly capitalize on it for the future. But beyond this, the SWOOD Days is an incredible networking opportunity between partners, and that's why it's such an awesome experience. And we definitely aim to boost the relationship between our partners and our team.
It's always a big pleasure because you make a team building with other resellers. And the team of EFICAD, every single person in EFICAD has become my friend.
We also have night sessions. It's a more relaxed part of the event, but it's just as important.
This was a wonderful event. I'm becoming addicted to being in SWOOD Days. If you don't come, you don't know what you lost. You have to come here.
Thank you everyone for this great edition of the SWOOD Days again. We had lots of fun and we hope to see you next year. Thank you!